Good morning, students. Now we shall discuss a lens is formed when a transparent material is bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. Types of lenses: convex lenses or converging lens. So, two transparent spherical surfaces bounded here. It is called biconvex lens. So here one spherical surface bounded and another one is plane. There is a plano-convex lens. Here this is a concave and this is convex. So concave convex lens. Here two surfaces are bounded, but those are different surfaces here. So double convex lens means a lens may have two spherical surfaces bulging outwards is called double convex lens. So here two surfaces which are bulging outwards, and another way, that is, it is thick at the middle part and edge part thin, so it is called a double convex lens. Now diverging lens. So a lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces inwards, two spherical curved inwards. So it is called a biconcave lens. So this is a concave lens. It is a two inward curved surfaces bound here. It is called biconcave lens. Here a single inward surface is bounded. It is a plano concave lens. So this is a plano concave. Here convexo concave lens. So this is a concave lens. This is a convex. So convexo concave lens. So diverging lens, a lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces curved inwards. So it is thin at the middle and thick at the edges. So it is called double concave lens. So in case of lenses, image formed by lenses due to refraction of light. So how do rays bend when they are incident on a curved surface here? So in this case, so this is a rarer medium, this is a denser medium. Suppose the light ray passes through center of curvature of a curved surface, so there is no deviation occurs. If the light ray passes through principal axis, so there is no deviation. So no bending up here. A light ray moves from, so in this situation a light ray moves from denser to rarer medium. I am so sorry, rarer to denser medium. So there is no deviation occurs. So there is no bending occurs. So now we discuss. So this is a rarer medium. This is a denser medium. The system is denser medium. So a light ray. So a light ray moves parallel to the axis and incident on the convex surface. So after refraction, it will be refracted in this direction. It will be bending in this direction. Now draw a normal. So this refracted ray moves towards the normal. Here in this case, the light ray moves parallel to principal axis in denser medium, strikes this convex surface. After refraction, the refracted ray bending like this. Okay, now draw a normal. So this refracted ray moves away from the normal. In case of concave surface also, the light ray moves parallel to principal axis and moves and strikes the concave surface. After refraction, the refracted ray bends like this. Now draw a normal. So this refracted ray moves towards the normal. So in this case also concave, if the light ray moves through a denser medium which is parallel to the principal axis after striking concave surface, so the refracted ray diverging like this. Okay, so draw a normal. So this refracted ray moves away from the normal. So from these figures we conclude that a light ray moves parallel to principal axis in rarer medium. So here also in rarer medium after striking the surfaces, so the refracted ray moves towards the normal. So here refracted ray moves towards the normal. Here also the refracted ray moves towards the normal. So here the ray which moves parallel to the principal axis in denser medium. So here also in denser medium. So after refraction, the refracted ray going like this. Here also the refracted ray going like this. So this refracted ray moves away from the normal. Here also the refracted ray moves away from the normal. So from this we conclude that the light ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium. So then its refracted ray uh, moves towards the normal. So when the light ray moves from rarer denser medium to rarer medium, so then its refracted ray moves away from the normal. So from this we concluded. So finally we conclude that in any curved surface, the light ray moves from rarer to denser medium. The refracted ray moves towards the normal. In any refracted surface also, the light ray moves through denser medium to rarer medium. So then its refracted ray moves away from the normal. So these are the conclusions. So thank you students. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget. Regularly I upload my videos. I will be upload my videos. Thank you students. Please subscribe my channel. Oh, thank you students.